Yo, what is up guys? Kanoa H here, back with another video. In this one, we're gonna be trying some delectable, hopefully delectable snackaroonies and macaroonies from Whole Foods in the Whole Foods parking lot. This is my private but not secret girlfriend, who's, I won't tell you her name.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So this is the key lime pie.
And these are the macaroons.
And then we have these for Kanoa.
Yeah, I got a little treat for myself.
Yummy, yummy treats.
Alright, let's try the macaroons first. I got a red velvet one.
We got
Lemon
and passion fruit.
I think the lemon's gonna taste like boob, but
Really?
yeah.
I have the most faith with that. I almost got the lavender one again. And
Yeah, I'm glad you did. So, if only these were like soft, that would be amazing.
they're crunchy.
Ready? I don't dislike that.
Really? You try better that one.
I like the tartness of that one. This one is just very chocolatey.
It was really good, actually.
Very good. They're soft. Yeah.
You like that?
I've
Okay,
had
so-
a hard one. So bad.
You try this one? This one's good.
I bet.
At first I was a little hesitant because I didn't get any flavor at first, but it's good. That was my favorite.
Oh, there it is.
No, see? You don't taste anything at first, and it's kind of a letdown.
It takes so much time for the
It's kind of
passion
like
fruit.
it's like has the worst texture I think at first
Yeah.
in the first bite, but it's really good.
This
okay.
one's really good.
Huh?
This one's really good.
That one's my favorite. But why did like the build up?
And as soon as it's there,
It's there.
it's gone.
Oh really?
Yeah, it disappears.
It's like an edge you on. Okay.
I'm a macaroon fan now.
I'm glad we got them. Come here. I'll throw it away when you get home.
Slay, bitch.
What's that lady eating?
Slay food.
I remember, baby, yeah, right?
Slabbage. It's like cabbage with slay.
I was gonna try and combine sleigh and fuel, but I couldn't think of it.
Snoo.
I'm excited for the tart.
Yeah, if I can fucking open it.
Bruh. You should bring your yellow glasses with you.
I don't know. So guys, here we have the key lime tart. I'm pretty excited for this
I
one.
actually have high expectations for this one. You want the fork or spoon, or you want to just open a new pack?
Here we go.
Bon appetit.
Oh fuck, that's looked it. Okay, first bite.
Bro. Okay, second bite.
It's definitely limey, but it's not as sharp as you think.
You're creamy.
Yeah, I would say very creamy.
I honestly don't care for the crust too much, but I do like the filling.
Yeah. They should make this as a mousse.
They
And
do
make
have it as a mousse.
6 inches in color.
No! And only $18 for a nice price. Big bite.
What else do they do in these?
You remind me of, I got a really good bite. The key lime pie yo plates. I love those.
Oh, they're real good.
Those are so good.
I think it's yo play, not yo. I don't think you say the T.
Okay. Yo plate?
Mm-hmm.
Yo plate. I've been calling it yo plate this whole time.
We should say
I haven't had a yo plate or seen a yo plate in so long. Are they still open?
Note to future editor self, insert the real yo play pronunciation.
Or is it just we now?
What are you talking about?
That brand.
What brand?
Did yo plate just become we? You know what that is?
I think it's just yo play.
Well, have you seen a yo plate yogurt?
No.
Yeah. I don't think they're open anymore. They're out of business.
There's no way.
Dude, yeah, that key lime pie yogurt was so good. I would eat the fuck out of that. You just eat the mousse? Couldn't have to cost too much. But the mousse.
Oh.
One day we'll get that milkshake. That key lime pie milkshake.
One day. So guys, that concludes our Whole Foods macaroon, free flavor, and key lime pie mukbang. Thank you.
Thank you guys so much.